basically yung mga presidente at mga stalwarts. So, ngayon nalimutan ko yung kasi po yung previous kay SME, kay Bado, may bayan na yun. I'm talking to Marie, baka we could talk about June, Mendoza. Now, naisip ko maybe you could talk about yung si Dr. Tibal, kasi Dr.